Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and making sure the bulb is cool. Do not rely on the pull chain alone. Climb a stable ladder and place a towel on your shoulder to cradle the glass. With one hand under the shade to support weight, use your other hand to locate the retaining method, either small thumb screws around the fitter or spring clips near the lip. You're preventing the shade from falling the moment you loosen anything. Once you've located the screws or clips, work methodically. If there are 3 thumb screws, back each out about 1 turn in sequence so pressure releases evenly, then finish removing them while supporting the shade. If you see spring clips, press or slide the clip away from the glass one at a time while maintaining upward support. Do not twist the glass, lift straight down as soon as the last retainer clears. This avoids binding the fitter and cracking the glass. After lowering the shade, set it on the towel and inspect the rim, screws, and any rubber gasket for wear. This is why you removed it. When reinstalling, align the fitter, engage retainers evenly, and snug screws, don't over-tighten. Once secure, restore power and test the light briefly. If the shade stuck, cracked, or the retainer is stripped, stop. Using force risks breakage and injury. Instead, get the correct hunter retainer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.